Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to clean your dirty clothes. I'm using a handkerchief dahil ito lang ang dirty. So you must have this type of washing machine because this is the one that I use. First, you drop the clothes here. Put it into normal and turn on the faucet. When it's fully wet, you crank it into 15 minutes. Now we wait for 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
Put it there, we put it into drain. Oh my gosh! So after you're done with the soap, you just put it into drain. Then when it's about a little bit gone, you just turn on the normal, then turn on your faucet if you have one. Then while it's on, you also need to do this. Then we put it to. Then we put this. Move this.
Put it inside.
Put it inside.
And then cover it with this one.
Cover.
Okay. All the way in. Yeah.
Then close this. Wait lang. How many minutes?
One lang.
It's vibrating. Like the DualSense controller from the PS5. That is my dog, Pretty. Pretty, Pretty. When it's still wet, you put it in the sampayan. So it's a bit wet. So we just wait it until it dries in the sampayan. Thank you for watching. And Ashley, if you're watching this, I'm not copying you. I'm just doing this for views. You must subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to have notifications.